Hey, hello. Welcome back to my channel. And these readings are for the week of July 21 to 27. So let's start. Fight mode ang Aquarius this week, okay? Pero nasa tama ka naman, okay? Hindi ka naman, you're not gonna flare up just because, okay? Or you're not trying to prove yourself dito sa situation na to. Pero it's really, nandun ka sa point na tama ka eh. And really, you have to stand up for what you think is right in this situation this week. Okay? Don't worry about it. Syempre, we gain enemies. Ganyan talagang life. And we have to correct things as we see it. Okay? And that's the most important thing. As long as wala ka namang tinatapakang ibang tao, as long as you are defending what you think is right, then go ahead. Yes, and this has been your reading for this week. Next week, balik ulit kayo. Abangan ninyo yung next na reading natin. And like, subscribe, follow me here on TikTok and on YouTube. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.